So, hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about very important topic, uh, and it was because of two incidences that we recently observed. First was the case of Naira Energy, which is an Indian oil refining and marketing company, and it operates large refineries, and along with that, it has a large retail fuel network across India as well. And the thing is, this company is significantly owned by a Russian company amongst the various foreign stakeholders. So in July, the European Union they imposed some new sanctions because of this Russia-Ukraine war, and this company was also included in the list of sanctions due to its ties with Russian company. Microsoft suspended certain key services for this company, which included access to emails, Microsoft Team, cloud tools, proprietary data, and other Microsoft services, even though this company had paid all the license fees and all. So this company reached out to Delhi High Court seeking an injunction as the suspension was abrupt and unilateral. Uh, During the last of July, Microsoft restored all the critical services like including emails, Teams, and other tools. However, the business was impacted for a few days. After a few days, there was another case where Microsoft disabled certain cloud and AI services, which was used by a unit of Israel Ministry of Defense. And the action was unilateral. The action was prompted by a media report claiming that Israeli media reports stored recordings of Palestinian mobile phone calls in Microsoft Azure platform, cloud platform basically. Though the investigations are ongoing, and I'm not going into moral aspect of these cases at all. My concern is rather from the CXO perspective, given the geopolitical moves that are happening very swiftly in recent times. So my question is, this poses so many risks, and therefore we need to define the risk mitigation strategy around it. There are so many questions that come up in the mind. Are we exposed to, do we have exposure to sanctions or judicial risk? Do we have our stakeholders, partners, or customers which fall under such potential sanctions regimes? Do we have vendors which are going to be impacted by us, which can be impacted by these sanction laws, even if we are not? Then there is business continuity and data sovereignty risk. Where exactly are we storing our data? Is it in our jurisdiction, our country, our data center or not? Do we have redundant storage or disaster recovery with a provider not exposed to the same geopolitical pressure? Can we rapidly migrate emails, communication, or ERP system to a local alternative without losing historical data? And then there are a whole list of compliance issues as well. Are we fully aligned with local data protection, cybersecurity, and sovereignty laws like India's DPDP Act, Europeans GDPR Act, etc.? Can there be any hidden conflicts that could trigger service denials? And then we have governance and strategic independence, where the board has to actively review geopolitical risk now as part of their enterprise risk management. Now they have a new task at hand, which was not existing 2 months ago. So we need to do some scenario planning. If our vendor suspends services tomorrow, what's our action plan to come back again? Do our employees know what is the backup plan? How to switch to it instantaneously? So there are so many list of questions that come up in the mind because of some geopolitical actions happening around. It's a lot of food for thought. Thank you.